I'm Mark from MPB's pricing team, and I've been asked to answer the question. I'm considering buying a Sigma 150-600 Sport lens for my Canon 80D. Would I be better off buying a long fixed focal length? So I'm in a lucky position where I've owned a 150-600 Sport. I've also owned a contemporary version of that lens as well, back when they first came out. And first off, they're both really, really good lenses. If presumably you're doing aviation or bird photography, something that obviously needs the 600mm length, they're both fantastic lenses to get into it at a certain price point. Which leads me on to the sort of second part of your question: are you going to be better by purchasing a long fixed focal range lens? And the answer to that is yes, you would be, but to get quality, you're going to be spending an awful lot more money. Sort of lenses that are in that similar price range to the Sigmas are going to be like the Canon 400mm 5.6 or the 300mm f4 IS, which again, I've been lucky to try both, and both are very, very good lenses. However, if you're predominantly doing wildlife photography, the extra 200mm of reach that the Sigma will give you makes a huge difference overall. And I probably have got much better pictures out of my Sigma because of that extra reach than I did ever with my Canon 400mm. The only thing I would say is, you've said you're looking at the Sport version. The contemporary version, optically, is pretty much identical. The only real differences you get with the Sport is an all-metal alloy body, and it's got a bit of weatherproofing, but it also weighs an awful lot more. And it might be worth considering the contemporary, because it's going to save you a bit of money, and it's also going to be lighter, but probably won't impact the image quality overall.